Hi. Lexzur allows you to easily import data from Excel into the system through simple steps. Go to System Settings and scroll to the Import Data section. You can import various data types such as companies, persons, matters, contracts, tasks, and more. Let's take the example of adding new companies to the system by importing them from an Excel sheet. The system will prompt you to download a company-specific template in the first step. This template is an Excel file that you'll fill with company details. Hover over the View Template Notes link for guidance on filling the template and understanding each field. Fill out the template and then return to the system and click Next. You'll be asked to upload companies from a file. Select the Excel file you saved earlier and click Import. The system will add multiple companies based on your data, display the number of companies added, and notify you of any encountered errors along with their reasons. The same process applies to other data types as well. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.